today I be playing a game called Burn It Down. And I have no idea what this game is about. Let's go. Here we go.
Once upon a time, there was a plumber, and the princess, whom he loved very much, was kidnapped. But you're thinking of a different game.
Where's Heather?
Heather.
I need to find her.
Oh, cool. Wait, how do I open this?
Can't leave looking like this. Let me get dressed.
Oh, it's cool. Just walk up to the door to open it. Go to anywhere to go left. For Hope tab here, you have 3 free battle guides. Okay.
If I had enough speed, I could jump over that pit.
Oh, cool. You just like stand back and then run. Okay, I get it. Oh. Parkour. Yeah, cool. No, what the heck? Try horror mode if I'm okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm screwed. Oh, what the heck is that? Okay, no, I don't want to touch you. Okay, leave me alone. That ghost thing is weird. Oh, wrong way. How do I get back up? Okay then. What do I have to do? Wait. Yeah. Okay, there we go.
She used to read a lot, mostly psychology books.
So this is like a puzzle game kind of this? Oh, cool, spike soda. Oh. Oh god, she's back. Go away. Like, please, don't kill me. Okay, bye. See you later. Let's see. Time right. Wait. Oh, no, what the heck? Wait, let's just see what happens if she touches me. Can I come back? No. I'm not gonna jump in. Can I go down here? No. Or what if I just run down there? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I did it. That was an easy level. Easy hardest. Go ahead. She tried. She would have murdered me. Yeah, come at me then. No, I do not. No, not that button. Go down. Jukes. Okay,
I remember when we took this photo.
Wait, she has the same hair as the lady that's trying to chase me. The lady's the ghost. Oopsie. Dang it. I hate it. Achievement. Patience is virtue. Oh god. Go. Touchdown. Oh yeah. Thank you for doing it. It was horrifying. Don't let her touch you. No. Oh god. What's up? I don't want to play zombies anymore. Making a YouTube video. Oh, what's up? Burn it
Need to
down?
call a plumber. Best not touch that.
Oh god.
Best not touch that.
Best be not touching that. So what happens if I do hardcore?
Best not be pleasing you. Just find a one.
That's funny. Hardcore parkour. Yeah. Oh. Okay, there is no escaping that at all. Hardcore parkour.
Hi.
Okay, that was a horrible timing.
It's like Super Meat Boy.
Super Mario.
Super Meat Boy. Eat all the meat.
Nani?
Yes.
Go, run. Oh. Come on. Come at me then. Okay, that's close. Shut up. Get out of my face.
With enough speed, I can rebound off this wall.
How are you?
Detective, there's been a murder, and we need you on the case.
Here's the file.
Interesting game. I don't like that.
Where are all the photos of us together?
Run! Can't you see she's trying to murder you? Who else thinks it's the deformed ghost lady trying to murder us?
I do.
Or planting all these spikes. I made it! Touchdown!
Yay. It's an old school COD.
Kill yourself. Yeah, Christian Windows making a video, and then I was like, shut up, get out of my face. And Tevita like kept saying that at school the next day. It was funny. Why is this part so hard? Okay. Go! Oh, there we go. Wait, I have a death counter. I died 25 times. I'm horrible at this game. And for those of you that go,
Wait, what?
oh my god, I'm so pro at this game, I watched Ronald play it. Yeah, you guys see me play it and know where all the spikes and stuff are. I'm over here killing myself. Not killing myself, but dying.
Yeah, he's dying. You're like a giant sardine.
That makes no sense. Oh god, okay, run. Spikes.
I want someone to play with me because I feel lonely.
Well, you are.
There's
Whee! Pitch down. What? Whoa, acid. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this 7-minute freaking almost 8-minute video here. This is a fun game. You guys should go check it out. It's called Burn It Down.
Burn it down. Burn the school down.
Like a creepy theme in the game.
Yeah.
But it's pretty fun.
No one actually burn anything down.
It's pretty fun. It's a puzzle game. You guys should play it.